Item that I want to share with you is going to be by Jim B. It is resistance bands, and it comes in this travel mesh bag, so it's easy for you to take with you either to the gym, to your office, to work during your breaks. And it comes in 3 different colors. So here it is. This is the light level resistant bands, and it has really good stitching. It also has inside this dark gray is it's slip resistant. So even if you have slippery leggings on, it's not going to slip down your leg. It'll hold in place. And it's also not going to pinch you either. So it's nice. And this is in the light version. Now you can use this to exercise for your arms, and you can feel it working on your arms. And also you can put this on either your calves, your thighs, upper thighs, lower calves, around your ankle area. So it's very versatile, and you're exercising with resistance training. And this is the medium, and then this is the strong. So I'm still on the light version, but you can use any of them or all 3 of them as you choose. So the gray one, this is resistance of 14 to 25 pounds. The pink one is 25 to 35 pounds. And the black one in strong is 35 to 50 pounds of resistance. And it's made of premium construction, non-slip rubber grip, thick and durable fabrication. It also has reinforced no-roll stitching, and it's also soft, non-pinching elastic as well. And you're able to have a whole body workout. So it can work your core, which is your stomach muscles, hips, quads, hamstrings, calves, and your glutes too. And this also can be used anywhere, anytime, whether it's in your home area, your office, outdoors, or the gym too. And it's nice that they give you this bag too, so you're able to put it with you, and it's easy to transport with you. You know, even if you're going on vacation, you can take this with you so you can still have a workout even when you're on vacation too. And it has this locking mechanism there, so you can just put it all in there.